Hello, this is Ariel Mamalu. I wanted to give you a quick under the hood view of how I structure my automation logic. An important feature here was the Lavinstein distance, error handling basically. And so when you make an error, as in a typo on a name for a client, and let's say it's a very sensitive function you want to perform, such as deleting, you cannot make mistakes by maybe misspelling a name and having a wrong client deleted. So I built in this code actually in the system which checks for similarity between words. It's called the Lavinstein distance. So what it does is that if you spell John as John instead of John, the system checks that John, which is in the system, is similar to the Jhon, which you mistakenly spelled. So the system will make sure that it will give you a confirmation, of course, that is this who you want to delete, and then you would see that the right spelling of the right client would be presented to you, and then you can go ahead and make your decision based on the options presented. So it eliminates the error of falsely deleting sensitive information. Now I'm going to show you how I add an image independently from Telegram and it goes to the row for the particular client automatically. The first thing is to upload an image, any image at all, which I have in my gallery. For the practical case, my client would upload insurance screenshots for his clients, but we're just going to make do with an example of a writing. Notion doesn't allow direct image uploading, so I had to upload it to an initial cloud storage, which was Cloudinary in this case. And then from Cloudinary, I obtained the image link for that particular image, which is whichever image I upload to the Telegram bot, and it would go into the specific row for the clients that I specify, and that image link will then show as the real image when I get into Notion. So here is the image. I will simply write in the syntax, add this image for Tiffany. And so once I send the image, the bot will recognize the syntax, which is adding the image for the particular page, which is the client's record. And it will send me a confirmation message as you have seen here. And I can just open this page and it will show me that that image has indeed been uploaded to the particular client's record in the Notion CRM. And this would be Tiffany's, where the image has been added to Tiffany's record. That's in the insurance claim column. And here we see the same image I uploaded to the Telegram bot shows up in Tiffany's Notion record. So I built that entire workflow from scratch. I had to make sure that the logic was modular and scalable to meet my clients' needs. Also ensuring that proper guardrails were put in place to avoid scenarios like data loss and mistaken commands and other undesirable scenarios. So I hope this gave you a good insight to my technical ability. Let me know any part of the workflow you'd want me to dive in deeper, and I'm looking forward to speaking with you and seeing how we can implement this kind of logic to your specific needs. So I hope to see you soon. Have a good day.